In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix after-sales refund issues on 1688. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check your refund status, communicate with the supplier, and move your case forward smoothly. Start by opening the 1688 app or website and heading to My Orders, also labeled Wo De Ding Dan. Find the order that has a refund issue and open its details. Look at the refund or after-sales status to see whether it's pending, rejected, or waiting for you to take action. This page often shows notes or a timeline that hint at what's missing, so take a moment to read carefully and note any reasons listed. Next, review the refund requirements. Many cases stall because a small detail was missed. Make sure you've uploaded clear evidence that shows the problem, entered the correct refund amount that matches your claim, submitted the request within the refund deadline, and followed any return instructions provided by the supplier. When uploading photos or videos, ensure they're well lit, in focus, and show the issue clearly from multiple angles. If you're claiming shipping-related problems, include screenshots that show tracking updates and dates. If things are unclear, contact the supplier right away. Open the supplier chat, politely explain the issue, and attach helpful photos or short clips. Keep your message concise, factual, and courteous. Ask directly whether they can offer a full refund, a partial refund, or a replacement, and request their preferred next steps. Clear communication often speeds up approvals and minimizes back and forth. If your claim is questioned, strengthen it by uploading additional evidence. Useful items include damaged photos, an unboxing video that shows the package condition on arrival, tracking screenshots, and any proof of product defects. Presenting organized, relevant evidence increases the likelihood of a quick approval. If the supplier requests a return, ship the product back to the address they provide. Use a trackable service, keep the shipping receipt, and enter the tracking number on the refund page so the system and supplier can see movement. Hold on to the packaging and labels until the case closes. If the supplier refuses or the situation reaches a dead end, request platform intervention. Open the refund page, select Platform Intervention, submit a clear explanation with your evidence, and wait for the 1688 support team to review. Keep your summary objective and focused on facts. Finally, if your refund is approved but not yet received, check the original payment method, allow several business days for processing, and contact your payment provider if delays persist. Follow these steps patiently, document everything, and you'll resolve most after-sales refund issues on 1688 with confidence.